Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you something very practical, and that is how to clean this part of your machine. So many of us are not aware that before you can clean this place, you cannot really get to the depth of these places even with your racks. So first and foremost, you have to clear whatever is on the place, and then there are two nuts that are holding it. You have the first nut here and the second nut is down here. So when you have loosed out these two nuts, it will now be easy for you to pick this part out. So this is now when you can either clean it with a clean or wet dress, or you can go ahead to wash it. Also, you clean this part also before you replace. So this is just a simple hack or a trick. So subscribe to this channel if you've not, and thanks for watching.